over 40, mature skin, and you're trying to find the perfect foundation because what you used to wear doesn't work for you anymore. I get it. It doesn't work for me either. So when it comes to mature skin, there's a checklist that we need this foundation to hit. Let's start with hydration. We want this makeup to hydrate. Next, we want buildable coverage. So you want to be able to start with a little bit of a light medium coverage and then build it up where you need it. The next two go without saying. It needs to be non-creasing, non-caking. As a pro makeup artist, I look for foundations to be long wearing. Once I put it on you, I want it to last you a good 12 hours. You should be looking for that too. That makeup better be transfer proof. I do not want to see my foundation all over my shirt, on my sleeve, on my boyfriend's shirt. Then I think one of the last things on this list is I don't want it to be clogging my pores, right? I want it to wash off cleanly, smoothly, and leave my skin looking great. You're rolling your eyes. You're thinking there's no way one foundation does all of that. Well, MAC says it does. This is their new serum powered foundation, and we are going to put it to the test. Take a foundation brush, tap it into that foundation, and apply. Did you guys see that? I am gonna tell you right now, that is beautiful makeup. The coverage is beautiful, the finish is beautiful. What I love about this is it's not so super glossy and shiny, because sometimes on a mature skin, that really shows all your imperfections. This is radiance.